Hello and welcome. If you are having problem with YouTube slow loading and lagging in Google Chrome, here's how you can fix it. First, open Google Chrome on your device and click on three dots on right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings. Once you're here, you have to go to System Settings and turn off Use Graphic Acceleration and then relaunch it. Once you've relaunched your Chrome, you have to go to Extensions and turn off all the extra extensions. After this, you have to go to About Chrome and make sure that your Chrome is up to date. Once your Chrome is updated, you can now go to Privacy and Security and clear your browsing data. Clear data. Once you've cleared your browsing data, you can scroll a bit down and go to Site Settings and make sure to reset all of the permissions. Once you reset your permissions, you can go to Reset Settings and click on Restore Settings and hit the Reset Setting button. Now your Chrome is reset. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video.